Taro lover guys, good morning. It is another Saturday here in Samoa. Another beautiful Saturday. Sun's out. Had a few showers last night. We are in the dry season at the moment here in Samoa, so it's always great to have a bit of rain. Special fatalofa to all Aiga members. Hope everyone's okay. Hope everyone enjoyed the episode we did in Fiji. So yeah, got in. That's why we didn't have any Sunday cooking this week, was because got in from Fiji feeling a bit jet lagged, so skipped out on the episode. But it's great to be back. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We're just on our way now to the cattle farm. I'm going to take you guys into the usual happenings of Samoans on Saturday, and that is to prepare the umu, get everything ready for the umu. So hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys. See you soon. Alright guys, so we're now here at the plantation. Just show you guys this side. The time at the moment is 10:30, and you can see that it is only at 10:30 the Taro on this side actually starts getting sunlight, which is why we want to clear out most of the shade here, because you can see that, see these taros in the front here, they're not growing that well as compared to these taro. Just the lack of sunlight at the moment. So still a lot of work to do, but yeah, it's all about trying to maximize as much sunlight for the Taro as we can. We did harvest this side here in the front here, so just this bit here, for a little thing that we had going on. Oh, just check out, I see signs of pig damage as well. So we harvested this plot just the first quarter for Taro, and the yield was alright. It wasn't that bad, but because it was mostly damaged by pigs and stuff, the comb wasn't that well, and also this was the side that was heavily stomped on by cows as well, roaming cattle, so the comb wasn't that. But see signs there of the pigs attacking the Taro plantation again. So there's quite a lot more, if you guys see there, around there, yeah, there's quite a few. Yeah, it's all right. We've already began with the new dogs we've got. We're going to begin training them, but we've been having really good success with our dogs and stuff. So and then it bought us some time. I think it bought us about a month or two, which we didn't have any more pigs coming, so it was really good. But hopefully once our pups are up and ready, we'll start training them to come to the plantation and help us out here on the farm. See that top corner there? Just that top bit up there. Right from that side there. That's been heavily attacked by pigs as well, which is why you don't see any Taro left there too. Yeah, it's not the best feeling, but still learning as we go. Alright guys, just arrived at the plantation, the cattle farm. It's drizzling now, so I'm gonna quickly unload the water and then we're just gonna rest for a bit under the tarpaulin there until the rain subsides. Cows are looking good. Cows are okay. Looking a lot better though. Ever since we switched them back into this spot, where the grass is good again, nice and green. Seeing a large improvement in the bodies as well. It's good. I think it's the cows' rest time at the moment. You can see them all under there, just relaxing. So that's good. I only poured them 1 gallon because they're not that thirsty. It's been raining, so yeah, it's good. So we're just going to rest for a bit here in the shade, but under the top, wait for the rain to finish, and then we'll start getting the stuff for Sunday tonight. So we're planning to get taro, luau, and hopefully some kau for the umu, so the leaves to cover the umu. If not, we'll just get taro and luau. We've already got coconuts back at home, and then we'll head home and prepare the actual umu, the place where we do the umu. So yeah. Right guys, I think this is the best chance we've got. So we're gonna get started. We're gonna head and get the taro, but also get some luau, and see if we can get some kau for the This guy is very curious. Stay away. Right, so we're just gonna head further down that side, where we've got a few taro that probably wasn't harvested. We missed out on the harvest, so we'll try and check them out and get some taro from them. Still got cow tracks coming into the plantation, so can never get rid of the problem. You can only try and benefit from it. So I'm gonna start eating these cows, man. Kalubabe varieties. We'll come back to those. Continue on. ever seen this plant before? It has really aromatic roots. These ones. It smells so nice. Very nice. Kind of smells like not vanilla, but it's like Vicks. Where are you? Check you. All right. So the cows are following. If you guys can see that, they think we are getting branches off the trees for them, but we're just trying to get some taro. Yes. So that's why I've been trying to get them branches at the same time while trying to look for taro. But I think we should be almost done now, so we'll just get a few more taro and then call it a day. We'll also get some luau as well. Pretty much done now. So we're just going to take the taro and do them all in one place as opposed to doing it in and around the farm, and then we'll grab some luau. Right, so just going to take the taro while I'm going to collect the luau. Have you guys heard of noni? Noni there. That's what there's actually quite a big market for this in China, where they make noni juice. It was a big thing. I remember when I was little, we used to gather them in buckets and then wait for the truck to come pick them up, and we get money from it. So not sure if it's still as prevalent as it was back then, but I still know that there are people in Samoa exporting noni juice. So a lot of health benefits. The noni plant. I need to get more luaus. Alright guys, so I think I've got enough luaus here. We'll probably get some more, but so guys, this, see how dry, almost barren the soil is. You start to see opportunistic weeds, weeds you never see, start making their way into the farm. This is only not caused by over farming, but also cattle roaming cows that bring weeds into a portion of a land. So this is one of the things I learned really important when I was in Fiji, was, you know, sustainable agriculture. So you know, with farming and stuff, obviously you're taking down trees as well, but at the same time you got to think ahead 5-10 years and, you know, ensure that the soil is always good for the next generation. So we'll be doing something pretty soon in which we will make our efforts to ensure that the soil soil health is our priority. If you guys heard of ngakai, which is a plant, it's a very funny backstory with that plant. I'll show you when we actually get to the episode, but we will be planting some ngakais inside our plantation, and that's the whole purpose of that, is to not only you know, compensate for the trees that we've cut down, but also the ngakai has very good properties to you know, bring nutrients back into the soil. So once we get there, we'll show you guys. But that's something I'm planning to do here on the farm as well. So you see, there's a lot of bad trees that now, you know, the land is almost barren because there are no trees. Because, you know, we also need shade. Sometimes it's not always about sunlight, and sometimes the plants need shade. But yeah guys, just wanted to share with you that. We're gonna head over to where Siab is and see if he's done with the taro. Also guys, wanted to show you, see, the taro is actually flowering, and I've actually seen this for a lot of the taro here on the plantation. Now the problem I have with flowering taro is that it doesn't yield a good comb, but it also triggers other taros to flower. So especially when we've got new plantations now that have been planted, I'm just worried, you know, all the plots start flowering, and as a result we won't be getting any good yields for the taro. So see there, the flowers opening. Now one thing we can do here is actually start crossbreeding experiments and see if we can get away with some new taro varieties, but I think I'm going to learn that tonight, and then probably start some breeding experiments next week, and hopefully we can get some new varieties and we can name them. We'll have naming rights to those varieties because obviously we will be making those varieties. We'll start putting them in trial plots, examining the yield. Yeah, so yeah, fun times. It's one of the great things about being a scientist and a farmer. I've been there just working on the taro. So one of the new things we're also trying to do is not trying to waste. Obviously, see, when we harvest taro, there's quite a lot of waste. So I'm going to use these taro leaves as well as covering for the umu, as opposed to always trying to get banana leaves, gamu leaves. We'll utilize these because obviously they're not going to be used anymore. So we can use this as covering for the umu. So that's why we've set it aside here. We're going to put them all together again. Just make sure they don't mix up with the luau. And then we'll use it for kawulum. Always trying to, you know, recycle, reuse as much as we can. You know, you start implementing these into your normal practices, and you start to see make small changes, so that you don't, what's the word? You don't over exhaust your resources, but just you know, do what you can with what you have. Also got a pumpkin there. Some nice taro. Yeah, I like it. Guys, as you see, removed off the leaves from most of the taro we harvested. Now we're going to use that for the umu there, and now that's all out there. So see, two birds, one stone. Alright fam, we're off. Alright, we'll open the car. I'll be there bringing the taro, but I'm gonna start pouring some water for the cows, because I'm pretty sure they're thirsty and they're on the way here. Alright guys, so we're gonna head off now home because we need to also kapinga the lululong and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna head home. Kamari ave kabaring. Kama wiri ulasis. So umma kwa kalo ya wiro. Should ka wifi luôn iya
Oye.
Sui ka ofia la ia sirong faku sui lore ke kia de drive ko kong kasi na ko ila lor ka fidima ya ya omi ma dia lo lai vai pensing e se vai ka ya fa sa o vai la au la vea ya ka this could take a while. But slow and sure. Apa? Ya. Insya Allah. Sampai sini. Yo. Sampai sini. Sao lâu em đi xuống mà nó biết có cả và đi ở đó coi cá sĩ có cả và đi coi muốn mẫu bằng nào đi ya cú đó cú cao phi ôm miro vai cao phi cú lại ele en sẽ ilungar cao phi đi mà awale ôm biết ngã a ver se lo vai mar cao phi ya alore color pa e coelho color đâu Kung kuuli mer pak kung kuuli pak awe kuulo vai kaufi ya sui mai lo le kasi sui mai le drive kuulo el kasi kuulo kaufi di ma ya abis le mulo vai mer kaufi awal o mir vai pingsing mula se ngai duma kaufi ofi o mi mali ya kaufi como acaba ya kule en se ilu mercado fi lima se a veces lo va al mercado fi kulo pak ya alle ko familo ko umi lo ma dia la ir vai pixing a veces lo va al mercado fi lo kuna ko la au se o kuya oi la pe ai lu sa oli pa uyu wala pa ko mi longo eri o pe o le milo ri kau drift so le o le sa o wala ri mi longo o pe o le drift o pe ai ko pia oi ke la le ka ba le mo le amaso ke ro ai longo ko ya o ki pilo da o lo pide ko mi ka ko mi kafi ya dan mi foi ko le en se ilunga ka fi dima awale o mi me ula ia le pak au ya se lo vai mer ka fi nga ya ko lo pak le kala pa ka pe ka vale ker mer ki mi lo mai ko ya ke le ngai me yo ke vai ya ko ka ba de o re nga it's all right. Part of learning, but yeah, just minor scratches on the sides there. Hey, I found my sang here for and also give them the chance. So look at Kavale, make it fun. The kids will enjoy farming as well. Ngang fasa or ka ba? Yeah, fa kula milo mai. Ka fiofi. Yeah, ma vi ai pe fa korka kasi ave ni kamiki. But it's alright. Mga lokal pa. Ya fa longo lei mai ya lai fa ko. O va ia ko ngala au le me ngai ko mai du. Ya fa long. O fa le fa lo fuspa. Ya la ko Afrika fuspa. O me sa au le van ko fa lo fuspa. Ya. Ya, milok ya oi. Mi ka fiofi. Milok ya oi. Miloked. O mile mu ala ele vai pensing. Ya ko milo ke isi mai. Milo ya aluma. Milo mai. O so milo mai. O milo vai pensing. O mile mu vai pensing. Ya. Ko milo mu. Ko fai de mu. Milo mai. Pasa. O maulo kangal pa. Fai de mu ko ana. O ai forward. Ayo de o kimo me. Fai de mu na. Ya la o du ngala wala ngadu. Ngai ka ngakur ka vale va ai po kidia. Ya, miro kia oi. Miro ke isi aku. Ala ku omi aku ai pensingin. Kaofi. Au kiro po kidia kai. Kidia uka. Ya, vai pensingin. Miro. Kafiofi. Ya, ko mai. Au so miro mai. Asao. Mai umi kafi ko umi vai pensing. Mai. Ya fasa. Fasa oi so ngalong kape foi anu ngai duma koe solo muri ngai kuasa I kape foi fa pa foi sui de drive de reverse ya anu ngai kua o mi vai pensing yung open for it. Yeah, take car. All right, fam. Finally made it home in one piece. Us, that is. The car is probably in 3 pieces. That's okay. See, just gonna go prep the kapinga dome. Hey, Cabo. Kosola yung lulunggok. Alright guys, so we're going to clean up the umu now, do the whole sorting the rocks out, and then taking off the tin roofing, dumping all the ash, and then rearranging everything back inside. Papa ufui. Ave. Velo lá e morcau velo. Fui já. Fui macar. May melak. May malak siya si may melak po. No vai. Take walkish. May lo lang. Alright guys, so finished doing the umu. It's all rest set. I'm just gonna chop up some firewood. I was gonna burn the rubbish and then get all of this rubbish in there. So I'm pretty much done now. After that I need to husk the coconuts just so that everything's a lot easier tomorrow. Alright, you guys see there, just burning all the rubbish inside the mkuka just so that by tomorrow everything is nice and clean. Need to get most of this as well, so just gonna get it onto the fire. And yeah guys, we'll probably call it a day. If you enjoyed today's content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe guys, share our channel. Just wanted to take, everybody does this on Saturday here in Samoa. It's one of the first things you have to prioritize on Saturdays here in Samoa is preparation for the umu. So that's why, as long as you get this out of the way, then you can do whatever you want to do for the rest of the Saturday. So that's why it's very important for people in Samoa to prepare the umu on Saturday before Sunday, so that usually Sunday morning straight onto the umu. So that's why as long as you get this out of the way on Saturday, you can do whatever. You can go get drunk Sunday night or Saturday night and then come back, do the umu with a hangover. But if you've enjoyed today's content guys, remember to be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel guys. We'll definitely catch you tomorrow on our Sunday cooking episode. But until then guys, God bless, take care, stay safe, see you guys soon.